Buenas noches a todos. Welcome back, people. In this video, I'll be recapping all the dividends I got paid in the month of January. I believe it's 14 companies in total. So let's not waste no time and roll the credits. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing all right. Everyone got through January. January was one long month after Christmas. If your company was like mine, you got paid early before Christmas, making the January payday seem like it took forever to come. But we made it, and now February seems to be taking off. I don't know where time's going nowadays. Anyway, before I jump into the list of companies that paid me, could I please ask that you hit the like button? It does wonders for the growth of this channel. And also hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified anytime I post a video. Although I've had a few people tell me that they're not getting their notifications coming through, so I don't know what's going on. I've got my theories, but yeah. Anyway, let's jump straight into this list. First company I got paid from in January was AG&C. I got 323.4 shares, and for those I got paid £24.56. Next company is Altria. They're a dividend king, meaning they've been paying their dividend continuously for 50 plus years. That's got to say a lot. You know, when certain companies hit a bit of trouble, one of the first things they do is cut their dividend. Well, meanwhile, this company's been paying it for 50 plus years, and we've gone through what? Wars, recessions, viruses and pandemics, and yet they still manage to pay that dividend continuously. I own 21.6 shares of Altria, and for those I got paid £14.56. Next up, Blue Owl Capital. For my 58.6 shares, I got paid £13.72. Then it was the turn of Capital Southwest. For my 41.3 shares, I got paid £4.94. Next up, GSK, GlaxoSmithKline, one of the biggest stocks on the FTSE 100. I've got 17 shares, and for those I got paid £2.72. Followed by Horizon Technology Finance. I own 106.7 shares, and for those I got paid £7.43. Then it was the turn of IIPR. That stock has taken a complete hiding. Things should start getting better once certain laws start getting relaxed out in America, which is inevitable. So I've got hope for this stock. I currently own 13.3 shares, and for those I got paid £16. Next is my personal favourite monthly paying dividend stock, and that is Main Street Capital. I own 33 shares currently, and for those I got paid £5.43. Next up, National Grid. I should have built a much bigger position by now. I don't know why I haven't really. I've just prioritised other stocks, but eventually I'll get around to building a big position in this. For my 10 shares, I got paid £1.64. Next up is Polar Capital. For my 70 shares, I got paid £9.80. Followed by Prospect Capital. I own 227.9 shares, and for those I got paid £6.49. Back on the London Stock Exchange, we've got SSE. For my 12.5 shares, I got paid £2.68. Next up is Starwood Properties Trust. I own 45.9 shares, and for those I got paid £13.96. Last but not least is Walmart. I've had some good share price appreciation on that stock. The dividend's not great, but you mainly make your money through the share price going up. Anyway, I own 19.75 shares, and for those I got paid £2.94. All of those shares combined give me a grand total for the month of January, £126.87. £126.87, that's not a bad way to start off the year. Gone way through my £100 threshold. I don't know what threshold I'll set this year realistically, but I'm hoping most of my payments will be over £120. It's important that these dividend investing challenges that I set myself, that they are achievable, but they're still a challenge at the same time. And as usual, that £126 and change is going to go straight back into the portfolio. Some of the money's going to go back into the stocks that initially paid me the dividend, but the money will get spread around the portfolio as a whole, or just sit in my free funds until I can decide what stocks to allocate the money to. But yes, now for my favorite part of the video, let's put those numbers into the spreadsheet. So £126.87. Okay, so we can see that I'm up 10% from this time last year. Last year I received £115.72. So to be up 10%, I'm definitely more than happy with that. And as we can see, February 2025, I only received £88.61. I shouldn't say only, I was glad to receive that. But I'm hoping this year I do break that, and therefore every other month this year should be over that £100 threshold. But realistically, I want to see more months over the £120 threshold this time. And if we look at the top right chart, that bar's to be ignored. I believe there's some technical difficulties going on with the spreadsheet. I will speak to my girlfriend about that. I don't know what's going on there. We'll just put that down to technical difficulties for now, and I'll amend that in the next video. But in the bottom right chart, you can see this is a new addition to the spreadsheet. We have a new trend line, which shows the upward trajectory that my portfolio is on. As you can see, there's been a few dips along the way, but it is mainly trending upwards, which is always a good thing. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, as I always say, not only am I not a financial advisor, I'm not your financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence before buying any stocks. Do not come on YouTube looking for free financial advice or to copy people's portfolios. There's reasons stocks work for us as individuals and, not for others. So don't blindly follow anyone's portfolio you see online. So yes, I will see you at the start of March, hopefully, where I'll be recapping all the dividends I got paid in the month of February. I'm hoping that I receive over £100. If not too much of a big deal, but I'm hoping that I do receive over £100. But until then, people, take care. Adios.